My first cooking. My tools: scales, spatula, wooden spoon, mixing bowl, whisk, peeler, tongs, rolling pin, knife. I can spread butter on my bread. I can peel potatoes and carrots. I can use the scales to measure ingredients. I can crack an egg. I can whisk eggs. I can roll out the dough. I can mix up the cake batter. I can spread icing on cookies and cakes. I can help my parents cook. I can put bread in the toaster. I can cut up fruit. I can grate a carrot. I can juice an orange. I can cook.